This video is going to show you how to work on the assignment. The assignment you can see is very similar to the case study. I want you to create a table like this, but some student go to Microsoft Word, create a table like this. This is not what I want you to do, right? I want you to go to the MySQL environment to create a database table like this. So in other words, we need to use the create command we learned from the book, and I still prefer open with. Oh, okay, I see the reason. The reason it didn't show me the color because the default extension for the file is text, is not SQL. If it's SQL, then give you the default language set up for SQL, right? But it doesn't matter. In other words, come here, you do the same thing, create a table, which is similar command like this. But the requirement is the table have a name called emp1. In other words, should be emp1, and the column name and the data type is listed here. So you go ahead to change all this column name with proper data type, and whoever primary key you think you set it primary key. One thing I want to mention, I modified a little bit this one to don't need to do any constraint for the foreign key, because most time you don't need to do the constraint for foreign key. In this case, especially if we don't have a job table, you're talking about only I know this job code gonna refer you to another table, but you don't need to worry about that table. Make it easy. So in other words, just create this table, and after you have that table, you need to do an insert. Insert, in this case, we have 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 columns. 6 columns which means you need to uppercase, lowercase, doesn't matter. Insert into emp1. If you insert all the values, don't take the default value, then you don't need to specify the column name, but you need to specify the value based on the order of the column. ID, employee number, name, last name, first name, initial, hire date, this is the date, and the job code. So you can go ahead value. The first one is a char, which is W07 is okay, quotation, because it's char. Second is varchar. Okay, I'm sorry. The data is here. The data you have to be follow the first one. 101 news John, but 101 is a char, is not integer, so you have to use quotation. And news is last name, I believe, because nobody named himself like a news. John. Okay, and the first initial, the last name is mid name initial. The date I want to say it, the data, because the data in this table give us the format for Oracle. You need to convert it. When you do the insertion, you need to insert in the MySQL data format, like a 2001, a 2011 08, like this, right? So in other words, instead of insert that data, you need to insert this data from here, and also use quotation. And the last one is job code 502 is also a chart. 502. So this is the command. Then you copy this command, come to here, run it, because I didn't really create that table, so there is no that table. But this is what you need to do, right? You need to go ahead, finish all of this. Remember, change all this date, DATE, to MySQL format. Then you follow the instruction listed here, complete your assignment. I highly recommend, if you have time, have interest, go to the textbook, the end of chapter number 7, finish the first 25 questions based on these two tables.